In this lesson, I'm going to show you how the E sound is used to add two words. When we add in an adjective or another noun to a word, in Persian, we add an E at the end of the original word, and then come the related nouns or adjectives. For example, yellow table. What's the main word we want to talk about? Yellow or table? It's table. So we say table first, then yellow. We have miz and zard. We use an E sound to relate adjectives to their nouns. Mize, zard. Mize, zard. In another example, we are adding two nouns. Friend's hand. In Persian, we have the same structure here. The main word we are talking about is hand. So we say that first. We have dast for hand and dost for friend. We say dast first and add an E sound at the end. Then we add the second noun, daste dost. Dast first, then an E sound, then the second noun, daste dost. Remember when we talked about adding two words? We add E at the end of the first word. Now, when the first word ends with one of these letters, O, U, and E, the ending E, it's not easy to pronounce an E right after them. In this situation, we use a mediator, which is the Y sound. For example, Sarah's dad, we have Baba and Sarah. The first word, Baba, ends with A. So we use the mediator Y to relate the first word to the second one. So here is how it's said. Babaye Sarah. And here is how it's written. Here is another example. As you're doing very well, we're going to add three words this time. My friend's letter. What's the main thing we're talking about? Friend or me or letter? Yes, it's letter. Name. Now, who does letter belong to? Me or friend? Yes, friend. This is our second word. Dost. And who does friend belong to? That's right, me. That's man in Persian. So here is the order. Name, dost, man. Now, we want to relate them to each other. The first word ends with E. It's one of the three letters I just mentioned. So we add Y to show Name belongs to dost. Name. And for the second part, As dost ends with t, it's easy. We just add e to show dost belongs to man. نامه دوست من. Now, there are two ways of writing the mediator ye when it's added to a word with the ending e, like نامه. One way is the one I just showed you. The other one is, instead of writing the letter ye, we use a little sign above the ending e like this. نامه. Please note, this is only used for adding the mediator ye at the end of the word with the ending e sound. For the other two, we just write the full shape of ye.